Hello, I'm Jay. I've been living and teaching American English in Japan for 15 years. I started English Life to help others with their English pronunciation. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of colors. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. I upload videos every week. Now please sit back and get ready to say these colors. Let's give it a try. White, white, white. I like white button-down shirts. Gray, gray, gray. I like gray suits. Beige, beige, beige. I like beige raincoats. Brown, brown, brown. I like brown hats. Black, black, black. I like black wallets. Red, red, red. I like red guitars. Pink, pink, pink. I like pink polo shirts. Orange, orange, orange. I like orange scarves. Yellow, yellow, yellow. I like yellow ties. Green, green, green. I like green sweaters. Blue, blue, blue. I like blue jeans. Purple, purple, purple. I like purple flowers. Gold, gold, gold. I like gold watches. Silver, silver, silver. I like silver tie bars. Did you find this video helpful? I have other videos on English pronunciation here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.